In this video, we're going to take a look at how to clear history on Pinterest. So I'm currently logged in via the website and I'm using the Chrome browser. I'm just going to right click and click Inspect. And if the page doesn't change to the mobile version, all you need to do is click Toggle Device Toolbar. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the Saved button. And I'm going to click on Settings. And then if you go to Edit Settings and scroll down, and then you see Cache Data, and then if you click Clear Recent History, it says Recent Search is cleared, and that is how you clear your history on Pinterest.